Chef Rafi and welcome to my show. Today we're gonna cook pork. Today we are gonna cook the national dish of the Philippines. It is called adobo, baboy, or pork adobo.
Ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Did you know that the Philippines has over 7,000 different islands? This you would need black pepper, garlic, and bay leaf, Philippine soy sauce, coconut, vinegar, and pork. Make sure there is fat in your pork. You will need 10 cloves of garlic. Pound the skin off the garlic. Chop the garlic up very well. Put in the pepper and do not avoid it. Piles on a bowl, add the bay leaves. Add the coconut vinegar. Now add the Filipino soy sauce. Make sure you only use ingredients very, very low. I will marinate it overnight and cook it tomorrow. Good night, everyone. We are gonna cook the adobo tomorrow. Pour the adobo into the pot. Okay, and now after this, I am gonna tell you a joke. Okay, first we're gonna find where my joke is. Nope, not in there, not in there, not in there. Finally, here it is. Oh, okay. How do you say goodbye to a math teacher?
How?
Let's find out. See you later, calculator. And a little bit of water to help melt the lard. On very low heat. Sure there is fat in your pork, so the adobo will cook in its own lard. If you're from Bicol, you can put in some coconut. These are traditional pots of cooking adobo. Let's see if the fat is melting yet. Woohoo, it is! It's delicious. Today we are going to cook the national dish of things on earth for the broth. Don't forget to subscribe.